A malware analyst is a cybersecurity professional specializing in identifying, analyzing, investigating, and mitigating malware threats and software such as viruses, worms, ransomware, adware, bots, Trojan horses, bugs, rootkits, and spyware. They play a vital role in detecting and mitigating malware threats, which can have significant consequences for organizations if left undetected or unaddressed. They work closely with other cybersecurity professionals such as incident responders, threat analysts, and security engineers to prevent and respond to malware attacks and safeguard digital assets. Role and responsibility of a malware analyst. A malware analyst may have the following roles and responsibilities: identify and analyze malware threats using various tools and techniques. Malware analysts perform reverse engineer software code to understand its behavior and functionality. Malware analysts analyze and monitor network traffic to detect and prevent malware infections. Malware analysts create and maintain malware signatures and indicators of compromise. Malware analysts collaborate with other cybersecurity professionals to coordinate and implement effective defenses against malware attacks. Malware analysts stay up to date with the latest malware trends, techniques, and tools. Malware analysts prepare and deliver reports on malware analysis findings to management and other stakeholders. Malware analysts participate in incident response activities and investigations. Malware analysts research new malware analysis methods and tools and contribute to their development. How to become a malware analyst? You can achieve a lucrative career by following these steps to become a malware analyst. Steps to become a malware analyst. Step 1 is obtain relevant education. Step 2 is develop technical skills. Step 3 is gain experience in cybersecurity. Step 4 is stay updated with latest malware trends. Step 5 is obtain relevant certifications, and step 6 is collaborate and build a network. Obtain relevant education. To become a malware analyst, obtain a relevant education in cybersecurity, computer science, or information technology. A bachelor's or master's degree in these fields can provide a solid foundation in computer systems, networks, and cybersecurity concepts essential for a malware analysis career. Develop technical skills. Familiarize yourself with various tools and techniques used in malware analysis such as static and dynamic analysis, reverse engineering, sandboxing, and network traffic analysis. Develop proficiency in operating systems, networking protocols, and programming languages like Python, C++, and assembly commonly used in malware analysis. Gain experience in cybersecurity. Building a strong background in cybersecurity through relevant work experience, internship, or participation in cybersecurity project can help you develop the expertise necessary for a career in malware analysis. Participate in bug bounty programs, attend workshops and training sessions, and create your own malware lab to practice and hone your skills. Stay updated with latest malware trends. Keeping up to date with the ever evolving landscape of malware threats, emerging technologies, attack techniques, and industry trends is crucial. Follow reputable sources, participate in online forums or communities, and continuously learn through training and workshops. Obtain relevant certifications. There are various certifications available that can help demonstrate proficiency in malware analysis and related areas of cybersecurity. The credentials can help demonstrate, exercise, and enhance employability for aspiring malware analysts. These are some important certifications that can be helpful for becoming malware analyst, like Certified Threat Intelligence Analyst, Certified Ethical Hacker, CompTIA Security Analyst, Certified Information Systems Security Professionals, Certified Malware Analyst, Certified Reverse Engineering Analyst, GISE Reverse Engineering Malware. Malware analyst salary. The salary of malware analyst can vary depending on several factors including location, level of experience and industry. According to data from Glassdoor, the estimated total pay for malware analyst in United States is around $87,062 per year, with a with an average salary of $79,826 annually.